Hi, this is Nick with PSI Power. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of our product, both current and upcoming, for this 2021 Jeep Gladiator behind me. We'll go ahead and get started. So starting with this performance module for this 3.6 liter Pentastar engine that's common among Jeeps, we're just going to unroll it. And as you can see, it just comes with a couple sets of connectors, real easy install. First, you're going to look at this IAT sensor, or this intake air temperature sensor at the front of the engine. You're simply going to undo the connection, pull out that connector, insert it into our harness until you hear that audible click, and then do the same on the sensor side, making sure to push in those locking tabs. Next, you're going to come to the back of the engine where the map sensor is. Again, you're going to undo that locking tab. Depress that tab to undo the connector. You're going to take our harness, plug theirs into ours, and our harness into the sensor. Finishing up the install, normally you would want to route this in a way that you could secure it down. Not shown here today, but will be included with the kit are zip ties to help you keep the harness out of the way of anything hot or any kind of moving components. So then you're just going to route it over here to the driver's side firewall, where you're just going to take the end of our harness, install it into our module, and then secure it, again, somewhere where it's away from heat or any kind of moving components. So next, we're going to get into installing our Throttle Master on this. So it's just going to install at the throttle pedal sensor right there underneath the steering wheel. So it's going to be kind of hard to see once we get in there, but our connectors are going to look exactly like theirs. So you're just going to see it resting on top of the throttle pedal. You're just going to pull out this lock tab, and then the connector should slide right off. Just going to undo that lock tab. Install ours the same direction that theirs came off. Reinsert that lock tab. And then put our connector into the factory connector. You might get a little bit of resistance. These connectors don't always go in the smoothest. Then close that lock tab. After installing the Throttle Master and securing it out of the way of the throttle pedal, I'm going to go into a little bit about the control and showing you the app that we developed for it. So you're just actually going to go to the App Store and look up the PSI Throttle Master app, install that onto your phone. Then with the module installed and the vehicle either powered on or running, you're going to just make sure that the Bluetooth finds throttle, that it indicate that it's able to communicate with the device. From there, you're just going to open up our app. So it'll automatically connect, letting you know by the indication in the top left corner. Then here at the bottom, it'll show you the current setting that the module is in. It'll store the last setting that the module was left in, the last time that the vehicle was shut off. And then simply have your different selectors here. So we offer an economy, stock, street, performance, and race, with race being the most aggressive as your course settings. And then we also offer this slide bar here that goes from a -10 to a +10% that allows you to just fine-tune that throttle pedal to your liking. Also here in the top right, we have a valet mode, which offers an extreme desensitizing to the throttle. And then we offer a security mode that just makes the throttle completely unresponsive. So to recap for today, we went over the installation of our PSI Power Performance Module. So what that's going to do is increase the horsepower of the engine, allowing for better performance, better drivability. And then with our Throttle Master, the whole point of that is to increase the pedal response, give you better drivability, and just an overall better vehicle experience. Thank you for joining us today and installing both of these modules. I hope you found it helpful. And if you wouldn't mind checking out our other social media, other videos on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you. Bye.